100 million Americans are planning a family getaway this year, and about 2/3 of all family travelers are planning a summer vacation.
All right, so no better time to wash off those April pine dust areas on your car and get it ready for the upcoming summer road trip. Joining us now live is our car coach, Lauren Fix. Lauren, great to see you as always. I can't get over how beautiful that necklace is. Is that a gearbox?
Yes, it is a gear. I have the gear ring as well. I'm actually an engineer, so
it's the car coach. She's got to have gears and everything, right? Okay, well, let's talk about the 4 W's to a squeaky and shiny ride, as you like to say. You know, April, obviously, pollen season. What are the first 2 W's to get rid of the dirt and pollen?
Okay, one of the worst things you can do for the first W is wash, is don't ever, please, ever use dish soap. Use real car soap. You can get it at any auto parts store, big box store, you name it. Use real car soap. There's some really good ones out there. And that'll take that yellow pollen that you get up, especially in the southeast. It gets really thick, and you breathe that stuff in too. So you want to use a car soap and wash from the top down. You may think that seems so obvious, but I can't tell you, people have started from the bottom to the top. The worst way to wash a car. You want to bring that dirt up. You want to bring it down and wash it away. It's sort of like washing your hair and then washing your body. At least I hope you do it that way. You want to get the dirt away from the vehicle. Hey, I don't know what to do. But as far as the next thing you want to do is wax. That's the next second W. Now, a lot of people think, well, I can just put on these quick spray waxes or run it through a car wash. That's great. But it doesn't last when you have these wonderful spring showers, because it literally takes that off. You can find some really good branded waxes out there. Find something, there's a million of them. The wax on, wax off burns 200 calories an hour. So there's your workout.
And you could even maybe,
it's a workout.
You could get in the ring and fight somebody and do the little, you know, kick at the end.
All right, so before I move on to the next question, once a year, twice a year for waxing the vehicle?
I like to do it quarterly. I mean, before I put some of my cars away for the winter. But it's so easy to do. And if you just say, I don't want to do that, I don't have time, fine. I understand that, especially if you've got a lot of little kids or you've got a lot of responsibilities. You can go to any of these quick car washes. Many of them have a secondary area. You can get someone to wax it for you. I mean, it's just a matter of time and money, no matter how you look at it. So if you got a lot of kids, that's a great way to do it. If you want to teach your kids how to do it, great skill to learn. It's something, especially when they're in college.
I'm
all right, so quickly, you notice after a long winter, you got a chip in your windshield. What should you do when you notice that little chip? Is it going to get bigger, or should you just keep an eye on it?
It could. Okay, the one thing, if the chip is right in what they call your sight line, like right in line with your vision, you can get it replaced. Usually it's included in your insurance. If not, you can call a glass company. I highly recommend using a factory glass. In other words, they sell all kinds of aftermarket glass that comes from China. You want the best quality glass. It is part of your safety system. Believe it or not, the airbag bounces off the glass to help protect you. So part of washing is when you wash your windshield and all the windows inside and out, because you want to clean all that scum that's built up over the winter. Absolutely make sure there's no damage. If there is, get it replaced. It's your visibility, 80% of your driving decisions, which includes wiper blades, which is one of the W's. You're going to have lots of rain. If you're like, can kind of see when the wiper blades are going, get new wiper blades. If you don't know how to put them on, no problem. Auto Parts will do them for you. Just buy the blades, and they'll automatically ask you, should we put them in for you?
Wash, wax, wiper blades. What's the last one?
And the last one is wheels. If you're going to clean your wheels, a lot of times you get all that brake dust and all that buildup and all the corrosiveness from the salt that's been put on the roadways. You can buy stuff you can spray on while you're washing the car and just rinse it right off. It'll take the brake dust right off. Hey, you are what you drive. I've always said that you have to be car care aware. If you take care of all the basic maintenance on your vehicle, you will have a wonderful road trip and you won't be stuck on the side of the road. And if you fail to do that, you'll have a horrible story to tell someone.
Lauren, my car seems to operate better when it's clean and washed.
Of course, so does human beings. You know, Lauren, thank you. What you put in your body, what you put in your car. You know, when you're clean, you feel better, you operate better, Jen. You know, the whole thing.
Yeah.
In your car.